Hello everyone, and thank you for coming to my channel. This is Isa, a creative designer here, saying hope everybody is doing good today. Today I am trying to make some vegan butter, and as you can see here, I have the recipe calls for a cup of almond milk, coconut oil, apple cider vinegar. I'm using olive oil in mine, and salt. This is a no lecithin recipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything because I'm not able to hold the camera and actually cook at the same time, so and fix this at the same time. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the almond milk into the blender. Okay, and as I said before, I'm unable to actually do this on camera because I need both hands. But I'm going to go ahead and make it. I'm gonna bring the finished product. I'm gonna bring two more videos on this because I can't, you know, do two things at one time, and I need both hands. But as you can see, I've already have my almond milk in the blender. I have my coconut oil, my apple cider vinegar, my olive oil, and my salt. And this is a no lecithin recipe, so I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. So until the next video when I show you the finished product, this is Isa, your creative designer, saying I will be back. Everyone have a wonderful day. Like, share, and subscribe, okay? I'll be right back. Bye-bye.